Alright, making money online can be so frustrating sometimes for new beginner if you don't know how to set things up online and earn money. So this is why I go out there to make research and find simple method to make money online. I come up with this new strategy I'm going to show you in today's video. It is a very simple method and beginner friendly, and this works very effectively. All you just need to do is to set it up exactly. I'm going to show you step by step in today's video, and after that you start earning your first passive income online. So before we move on to today's video, make sure you give this video a like if you want to see more videos like this on how to make money online. Also subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell button so each time when I create new videos you will get notified. So with that being said, let's move on in today's video. First, we need to go to Google and search for GIFs. So what is GIF? GIF is a lossless format for image files and support both animated and static images. Let me just show you some type of GIFs that you might have seen on the internet. So we have different type of GIFs. So this is a GIF. This is also a GIF. So these are popular GIFs that you might have seen online. So this is what we're going to be using today to earn money online. It is a simple method and strategy to earn money online. So keep close and watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you step by step how we're going to set this up. I'm going to set it up in your front, and you can be able to set this up yourself and start earning money online. So the first step we're going to do is that we want to come to giphy.com. This is called once again, giphy.com. I'll spell it as GIPHY.com. So this is where we want to come to. This is a platform where we can get a free GIF to reuse online. We can download it even to our computer, and you can even sign up with this platform and make your own GIF. But don't worry, we don't need to make any GIF here for ourselves, but we can reuse what is already trending on this platform. All the trending GIF here, we can reuse it, and it is totally free. So this is the step number one. So as you see here, there are different type of GIFs. There are silly GIFs, there are funny GIFs, and you can reuse them, and this is what we're going to be doing today. This will be the step number two. Now we want to go to the search bar here and search for GIFs that we can reuse. So I'm just going to tap something like keywords relative to what I'm going to use the GIF for. So I found one that I want to use, so I'm going to choose this one. So this is what the GIF look like, so it fits what I want to use this GIF for. So let me just go ahead and download it. So to download it, you just need to right click and have to go click on the save image as, and you can easily save it to your computer. And that is the step number two. We're going to download this to our computer, and after downloading this GIF to our computer, we can now move on to the next step, and this is where you need to keep closer, because now we're going to show you exactly how we're going to use it to earn money. So what we want to do now is that we want to go to eclincher.com. So this is already eclincher.com. This is the website we're going to be using in combination of the GIF that we've downloaded to our computer. This is the website we're going to be using to earn money. eClincher is a top-ranking social media management platform. So this is where entrepreneurs come, or small business, to use this kind of platform to manage their social media. As you can see, this platform is integrated with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, and YouTube, TikTok, and so on. You can use it for all type of social media out there. So how to earn money with this platform? This now will take me to the next step, which is step number 5. Step number 5. So we're going to go all the way down to the bottom to find this partner affiliate. Okay, partner/affiliate, and this is what we're going to click on. We're going to click on the partner/affiliate, and it's going to bring us to this page here. This is already the affiliate page where we can sign up. The fact here is that in 2020 alone, over 3.6 billion people were using social media worldwide, a number projected to increase to almost 4.41 billion in 2025. So this is a trendy method that we can still use to even make money. So this is a good trend that we can jump in and also earn money. This is why this method is really effective. So what we just need to do to join this affiliate program is very easy. We just go here and click on apply here. So after clicking this button, it's going to bring us to the next page where we can include all our details, our email address, or first name, last name, a website. This is optional. Even if you don't have a website, it doesn't matter, you can still use this platform. Okay, and with the right company name, you can just write your name here. It's so easy as that. And you can leave all this place, all this VAT ID, you can leave it blank. You can go here to the countries and look for your country. As you can see, this website allows so many countries here, so it doesn't matter. You just need to come here and look for your country, and if your country is there, you just need to select your country, and then you move on to the next step where you can write your address, your phone number, and you can create a password. If you like, you can also include your Instagram page account, your Facebook page account, your YouTube channel URL, your Twitter profile URL, or your LinkedIn profile URL, and that's all. If you like, you can agree to receive notification from this platform, from this website. The most important thing is that you need to agree to their affiliate terms and condition. If you don't know, you can just go here, click on this blue written letters here, and it will take you to a page where you can read all their affiliate terms and condition. And after doing that, you click the button that you're not a robot, and they will generate you an affiliate code, and then you're ready to start earning money. So when somebody sign up to this platform to your affiliate link, you get $100. When 2 people to sign up through your affiliate link, that is $200. When 10 people did the same thing, you get $1,000 for that. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to promote. Use the combination of the give with our affiliate link we're going to get on eclincher.com to earn money online. So what we want to do then is that this is the next step, which is step number 6, and it's going to be the final step. We want to go to this website called imgo.com. So this is already imgo.com. What we just need to do is that we want to go here and drop the image here. So now that we've dropped the image here on imgo post, and now we want to write a title for our post, which can be something like grow your social media account, and then we need a call to action here. We can just write something like click here to sign up. So we can insert our affiliate link here, okay, which is going to look like this. And after that, we just go here to tag, and we want to tag something related to this, what we are promoting. We want to tag something like grow your Instagram account. We write something like grow your Instagram account, grow your YouTube account. You can write something like grow your YouTube channel. You can also include something like how to get more Instagram likes. At least we can include 5 tags here that is related to what we want to promote. As you can see, similarweb.com shows that Imgo is being visited every month from 243 million people. So 243 million people visit Imgo every month. When we post this catchy GIF, it is very, very attractive. We have the most possibility that over 200 million people will see this GIF, and most of them, almost everybody, will be willing to also sign up to this website through your account and use this website to grow their social media account. If you know you've gained much value on today's video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, also subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in some of my next videos. Peace.